Hey everybody, I have a really quick, easy, and fun way to create a weather chart for your kids. You can do this with kids of any age. Super easy, super fun. All you're gonna need is a paper plate, some markers, crayons, a clothespin, and a piece of paper. You're gonna wanna cut out a little arrow. Now this arrow, we're gonna go ahead and glue to one side of our clothespin. Okay, we're just gonna glue our arrow onto one side of our clothespin. We are gonna take a marker and we are gonna divide our paper plate into 4 sections. Draw a straight line down center. Flip it over, do the other side. Does not have to be perfect. We just need 4 sections. Now, you could either print out some clouds, some sun, some rain, some lightning bolts, whatever you can think of depicting the weather. You could print those out on the computer and have the kids cut them out. You could let the kids draw, whatever you want to do. But all you want to do is you want to depict the different types of weather. I'm going to do cloudy. I'm going to do raining, partly cloudy, and sunny. This is a great way to get the kids involved in learning about the weather. Doesn't have to be great, it just has to show the different types of weather. Then you're going to take your clothespin and you're going to let the kids decide what is the weather like outside today. And for me, today it's sunny. I hope you'll give this a try. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye guys.